welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey. So today we are going to be reviewing this beauty that I have on my head right here, right now. You see the color, baby. You see the color. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so this wig was sent over to me from NadulaHair that we're going to review today. You already know what their packaging looks like, but inside they had this, some goodies, you know, lashes, wig caps, that kind of stuff. But let's get into this robe. This robe is beautiful, and you know what my favorite colors are, okay? So this is in the champagne color, and I'm obsessed with it. Love it so much. But now let's get into the wig. So they sent over their 13x4 transparent lace wig in Jerry Curly, 20 inches, in this reddish brown orange kind of color. I really don't even know how to describe this color. It's impeccable. I don't have anything like it, and so I'm super geeked. But this is what the frontal is looking like, and then this is what the curl pattern looks like. As I always say, I like to show you what the curl pattern looks like and what the wig looks like before I co-wash it. It has your typical construction, combs on the side, comb in the back, and it has an adjustable strap that is detachable, and it literally goes from one side to the other. So that makes this wig glueless. Okay, we love that. But yeah, one more look at the curl pattern, and then I'm going to co-wash and let it air dry, and I'll talk to you in the next clip. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like after it has been co-washed and air dried. Now, this is not rooted, so I'm going to have to, you know, try to finesse. That's why I have my edges literally pushed all the way back. So we're about to try to see if we can make this work. I didn't realize that I accidentally parted this, like, not directly in the middle, like it's kind of like off to the side. But now I'm about to just put some foundation on the underside, because y'all know I'm not bleaching no knots. I'm just not doing it. I'm not. So I gotta put foundation on the underside of the lace, and then I have to just straighten out the part, and that's really gonna be it. I might fluff it up just a little bit, but yeah, let's get into the styling.
My baby loves me right, good loving day and night. He did always stay my side, he did make me feel alright. My baby loves me right, my baby they cool me down. He did always stay my side, he did make me feel alright. Not only you, baby I said not only you. Not only you did my mind, not only you get my time. Magic for you, I got the magic for you. Hey, you know, I got the package for you. I got the package for you. I got that honey, that honey, that honey, that honey. You need that honey, that honey, that honey. Honey, you be on my line for the honey. You be up all night for the honey. Take him on this ride for the honey. Hit me up, I got these. You be on my line for the honey. You be up all night for the honey. Take him on this ride for the honey. Hit me up, hey, you know, I got the magic for you.
Okay, so let's get into what I think about this wig. This curl pattern is beautiful. This color though, I'm obsessed. I love this color. I don't have a wig this color in my entire collection, so I'm really excited to add this to the collection. I really love this color. This color is so bomb. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like it's ginger, but it's like red, but it's like brown, like, you know, it's giving like cinnamon spice. I don't know, but it's really, really pretty. Another thing that I like about this color is, for me, as you know, if you are not new here, I like to wear my wigs behind my hairline. So I realized when I was like doing this that because this wig has like brown strands kind of running throughout, I would be able to wear my natural edges with this wig and then just like bring some of the hairs down into my edges to like make it look like it's like a mixed color kind of situation, and it'll look nice. At least that's what I think in my mind, and I feel like I have a little bit of that going on over here, like it's kind of like blended in with my edges a little bit. So I think like it'll be fine. So I'm happy about that, because that means that I could wear this wig like how I really like to wear my wigs, which is like behind my hairline. As I said, like the curl pattern is pretty. This is like my third favorite curl pattern, but still a favorite. Okay, hold on, hold your horses. It's still my favorite. It's third though, because first is Afro Kinky Curly, as you know, and then second is Kinky Curly, and then this curly texture is third, but still a favorite. Okay, I like to have a variety of the curly textures, because one day you might be feeling Afro Kinky Curly and then another day you're feeling this curly. Okay, so I like to have a variety, but this is definitely a favorite, my third favorite, but definitely a favorite. Also, this hair is so soft, it's insane. Like how soft this hair is. It's so soft, like pillow soft. Like, oh my gosh, it feels really nice. Another thing that I like about this wig is the density. It's not like super dense, but it's not thin either. It's like the perfect density right in between to look like nice and natural. So I love that. The cap size, this is definitely big head friendly. If you got a bigger size hair, you definitely gonna like this wig and love this wig, because I had to adjust the adjustable strap all the way to the other side. Remember I showed you it has like the thing where it could be adjusted literally from one side to the other, opposed to like having like the 3 clips that you could just like only go within that range. This you could like literally adjust it from one end to the other, and I had to adjust it all the way to the other end. So if you have a bigger size head, you're going to love this wig. Another thing, if you like to lay frontal, you're gonna love this wig, because this has transparent lace, so it looks really bomb. And if you bleach the knots, it'll look even better. You know what I'm saying? I'm not bleaching the knots. I'm not gonna do it. I ain't got the time. I don't want to. But if you bleach the knots and lay this like frontal, like in a traditional frontal way, you are going to love this wig. Okay, me, I'm not really into like laying frontal and all that, so I just have a little something going on right here. That's it. That's all. You know, that's all I need. Not too much, not too much. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I don't have much else to say about this wig. I feel like for me, I always work with Nadula again and again, because for one, I just business wise really get along with the company, but also too, I don't have to worry about like if it's gonna be what it's supposed to be, or if the quality gonna be good. I don't have to worry about that. Like, I already know that they have good quality wigs, so that's why I continue to work with NadulaHair. But that's pretty much it. I don't have much else to say. If you are interested in the wig, I will leave all of the links down in the description box. They are having a Black Friday sale, so y'all better take advantage of these discounts, okay? So once again, thanks to NadulaHair for sending me over this wig and collaborating with me on today's video. I appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments what you thought. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one.